See friends, so today we are going to do a spicy mutton liver fry. For that I have taken 250 grams of mutton which is chopped into pieces, the mutton livers. So in this I am adding 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Sorry, the first one was turmeric powder, the second was chili powder. I'm so sorry. This is 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste which was grinded at home itself. And the required amount of salt. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of salt because we are going to do the gravy. Again we are going to add the salt. So mix all this very well and we need to pressure cook this for 3 whistles in medium flame. The masala should get into every liver pieces, so mix well, and as I told, we need to pressure cook for 3 whistles. See friends, so all the masalas are added, what I said, the turmeric powder, the chili powder, ginger garlic paste and salt. Now I am going to pressure cook with the required amount of water. I am just adding a little water. I am going to pressure cook for 3 whistles and then we will take it out. See friends, so we need to pressure cook for 3 whistles in medium flame. So let it get cooked. Let us see what is the next items needed. Friends, let us see how well our mutton liver is cooked. So I have kept 3 whistles in medium flame. Yes, so it's cooked well. It is cooked well. So let us see the next step. What do we do? So friends, I have taken a different pan. I have added 2 tablespoons of refined oil. I am adding all these items. 1 star anise, 1 cardamom, 1 cinnamon, 2 cloves. I am adding everything together. So let it fry for a while. At this stage I am going to add 2 chopped onions. I am adding 2 chopped onions. If you have small pearl onion, the taste will be more yummy. So as the onions are getting fried, I have added 2 chopped onions. Along with this, I am adding a cupful of pearl onions for better taste. Cooked. Adding a cupful of pearl onions. We have already added salt in our mutton liver while cooking it in the prestige pan. So I am adding very little amount of salt so that the onion gets cooked well. I am adding very little salt. I am adding only 1 sliced green chilli. Along with this I am adding a handful of washed curry leaves. Let all this get cooked well. See friends, so our shallot and our chopped onions all are fried well. At this stage we are going to add the cooked liver. It has got little water, not a problem. You can add everything into it. So let it get fried well. It's already cooked, so just good fry is more than enough. Friends, so it's getting fried well. At this stage I am going to add 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder. Coriander powder is nothing but a dhania powder. Along with this I have measured and kept 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. That's all. So almost the South Indian mutton liver fry is almost ready to be eaten. In just 5 minutes we can have it served after garnishing. See friends, so our mutton liver fry is ready to be served. I am just adding little coriander leaves. Added little coriander leaves along with the stem. It will give a yummy taste. So it is ready to be displayed. See friends, so our South Indian typical mutton liver fry is ready to be served hot. It's come out very well. Please try this healthy recipe for all your loved ones. So watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking, happy weekend.